There are different kinds of gifts, but the same Spirit distributes them. 1 Corinthians 12:4. Temperament. These words, although related, have distinct meanings. Temper refers to a person's emotional state or mood, especially when irritated or angry. It can be influenced by external factors such as stress or frustration. Temperament, on the other hand, describes a person's inherent, relatively stable and enduring personality traits. It describes how someone typically responds to situations. It influences behavior, preferences, and coping habits. Key differences are: temper is temporary, while temperament is long-term. Temper can be influenced by external factors, while temperament is often seen as innate or shaped by early life experiences. Here is an analogy between the two concepts. Temperament is like the climate. Temper is like the weather. A calm and even temperament can experience occasional outbursts of anger, just as a serene climate can have sudden storms. The most notable temperament theory was first conceived by ancient Greek physician Hippocrates in 400 BCE. It divides people into 4 basic categories, namely Sanguine, Choleric, Melancholy, Phlegmatic. Each temperament has both strengths and weaknesses. Sanguines are outgoing, warm and friendly, compassionate, open-minded, inspiring motivators, resilient. But they are also disorganized, impulsive, overpromising, procrastinators, and lack focus. Cholerics are problem solvers, confident leaders, strategic thinkers, self-motivated, quick learners, innovative. But they can also be insensitive, inflexible, impatient, self-centered, unforgiving, and cruel. Melancholy are knowledgeable, self-disciplined, industrious, active listeners, and responsible. But they also struggle with negative thoughts, are oversensitive, anxious, overly selfless, self-critics, and are over-analysts. Phlegmatics are calm and composed, patient, flexible, reliable, team players, and stable. They can also be overcautious, wait for others to take charge, procrastinators, stingy, as well as fearful. Temperaments are important because they influence everything, from our eating habits to our driving skills, to the way we shop, to our study habits, to our communication skills, and even our handwriting. No temperament is superior or inferior. to the other. Rather, they are interdependent. The sanguine ignites, choleric excites, melancholic refines, phlegmatic aligns. Temperament influences temper, but doesn't solely determine it. This means that whether you be a choleric or a melancholic, although you might be predisposed to emotions like anger and negativity, it doesn't mean you are compelled to act or feel that way. Knowledge of temperaments should not be used to justify poor actions that you take, but should help you understand others' perspectives and adapt to others' temperaments.